Alright guys, so we're on our way back from Telluride right now. I thought I'd stop and talk to you guys about the second part of my Ouray video. In the first part you'll see that we pulled into a camp spot outside of Ouray, and it was actually pretty difficult to get up there, but we made it up, went down, got some burgers. Then we went back to the camp spot in preparation for the second part of the trail. So on this day we were doing Engineer Pass, which is just off the $1 Million Highway, the same highway we camped off of the night before. So at this point we started making the steepest ascent. There's not really a whole lot going on in this section. We just head up and get to this spot where we wanted to stop to get lunch. Take a little break, and it's a good halfway point of the trail. But basically we stopped in here and we did lunch for a little bit and kind of just relaxed, set up our hammocks, and took a nice break, a little under halfway, so you know, good place to stop and take a break. So after that ascent and a little break and getting on up here, we stopped at the prime location for views. I believe this is called the O Point, and it provides basically 360 views in all directions. So this is not quite the highest point of Engineer Pass, but it is right before that point. But it's another great place to stop and get a view. And we figured we might stop and take out the drone for a few minutes. So at this point we started noticing a lot of birds in the area, and we even were joking about, hey, what if one of these giant birds out here thinks that the drone is a smaller bird and dives for it? And we were laughing about how funny that would be, because I've never seen that happen before. But even after joking about it, still didn't prepare us for what was about to happen. So we started descending down the mountain. We had a little bit of a drive ahead of us. We were trying to make it back to Denver by the next day, so we wanted to make it as far as we could, and our goal was to make it to Poncha Springs. So we had a lot of road ahead of us at that point. So that was basically it. We made it to Poncha Springs. It's a nice campground. It was actually pretty warm that next day, and we headed out to Denver, go our separate ways. And that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you really like the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. If you know some spots that I should check out, or you've been to these areas, comment below, let me know what you think. Anyway, see you guys later. Thanks.